I love the fact that every day I come into work, I am doing something different. Whether it be one day I'm screen printing a client's t-shirts to match their business logo that I designed, or the next day I'm making their storefront signage. It's a homegrown business. We mainly manufacture signage and custom furniture for companies. We provide a service to our clients that allows them to recognize their vision, and anytime you do that, you impact their lives. I'm most passionate about the custom designing of pieces because it gives a customer exactly what they want on a very budget-friendly setup. Our high-end clients are hotels, and they actually take our pieces for coat hangers, cabinets, bathroom stalls, bathroom cabinet. To me, that's the coolest thing, is one day I may be working on a substantial contract for a large firm, or I may be doing a piece for the mom and dad that just had a baby and they want to decorate the baby's room with a personalized name and plaque.